Okay, to run the file, we're just going to put Python and then the file's name, and we're going to hit enter in the terminal, and then the code will run itself for us. It's going to open up the browser by itself. It's going to click sign in. It's going to type in our username, and it's going to type in our password, and it's going to mimic how a person would type as well. So we're just going to wait for that, and then we're going to go to all the job postings. We'll be searching for Python, and then the area, and then it'll hit the return key for us. We're going to apply some filters to make the search a little bit easier on us, and then we're also going to sort by post date. So when the final product is complete, we don't have to sort it ourselves or write any extra lines of code. So this is just going through all of the different listings, and the reason why it has to go down is because it has to load the ones on the bottom, or else Selenium can't select them. So if we look at the terminal, it just has the 1 out of 7, 2 out of 7, 3 out of 7, 4 out of 7, and then when that's all complete, it'll look something like this, and we have all of the locations that we want and none of the locations that we don't need. So this is a lot better